It is possible to mourn who you were and still be proud of who you are becoming. There's a quiet ache that comes with transition. You can feel it. You can't go back to who you used to be. Even if you tried, it wouldn't fit the same. Your mind has stretched. Your heart has awakened. Your standards have shifted. But becoming someone new, that part feels unfamiliar, tender, unsteady, and sometimes lonely. There are days you miss the old version of you, not because she was better, but because she was known. She knew the rules, and she knew how to survive there. This new version of you is still learning how to take up space, learning how to choose differently, and learning how to rest, knowing that everything will still be well. Of course, it feels uncomfortable. You're breaking patterns. But hear me when I say you are not crazy for feeling both grief and gratitude at the same time. This in between space is sacred. It is where courage is built, it is where identity deepens, and it is where you learn to trust yourself again. You can't go back, not because the door is closed, but because your spirit has outgrown the room. And even if becoming feels awkward right now, you are becoming someone who can carry the life you've been praying for. Remember, self-care is the best care, and it always begins with you. Be well.